Welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about coordination compounds. The subtopic is the stepwise formation constant and overall formation constant. Now we already know that the overall formation constant and the stepwise formation constant is nothing but the stability constant beta. Beta is nothing but the ratio between the concentration of the product by concentration of the reactant. You assume that first of all the metal ion present in the water MS6, that is the metal ion present in water molecule. Water act as a solvent here. S means solvent. Okay, is treated with ligand, 6 moles of ligand to give is easily replaceable ligand in the by solvent. Okay, so now Ml6 and S6S. Yes. So how to write the overall formation constant? Here beta is equal to the concentration of Ml 6 times and S 6 times divided by S6 divided by L6. Here solvent is excess amount of solvent is there, it is ignored to 1. So beta overall is equal to Ml6 divided by and MS6 divided by L6 is overall formation constant. Now we can explain this easily by the stepwise formation constant by one. For example, you take MS6 into plus L. Here 6 moles of solvent are there, but here only one ligand. L means ligand, S means solvent, M means metal ion. Okay, so MS5L plus S. How to write the overall stepwise formation? So beta now K1 is equal to MS5L. So S means solvent, so does not write here, only concentration of MS6 into L only. Next step, MS5L plus L. Here 2 ligands involved in the process. So yes, MS4 L2 plus S, because already one ligand is there, one S means a solvent removed from the metal ion complex, so ligand addition of one more ligand. Okay, yes, step 2, K2 is equal to MS4 L2 divided by concentration of S5L into L, concentration of L. And one more thing, MS4 L2 plus one more ligand. Okay, so how to write the stepwise formation constant? So MS3 and L3 plus S. Equation for that one, K3 is equal to, the left hand side is first, so MS3 and L3 divided by MS4 and L2 into L. And one more, MS 3 and L3 plus L gives what? And MS2 L4 plus S. 3 solvent here, one solvent removed from this metal ion means we get MS2L4. Okay, K4 is equal to M concentration of MS2 and L4 divided by MS3 and L3 into concentration of L. Okay, next here MS2 L4 plus one more ligand, we get MsL5 plus S only. The concentration of K5 is equal to concentration of MsL5 divided by concentration of MS2 and L4 into concentration of L. Yes, and one more ligand present here, so MsL5 plus L gives what? ML6 plus S. K6 equal to ML6 divided by MsL5 divided by L. So we already know that the overall formation constant is a beta. Now beta overall is equal to K1, first one K1 into K2 into K3, K1, K2, K3 and K4 and K5 and K6. Now taking logarithm both sides for the overall reaction, so logarithm of beta overall is equal to, so log of summation means addition, so log K1 plus log K2 plus log of K3 plus log of K4 plus log of K5 plus log of K6, which means the beta is overall formation constant. We clear that is a solvent. S means solvent in aqueous medium. Aqueous medium, metal ion present in the aqueous medium is treated with the ligand, is 1/1 addition with the solvent. So solvent is removed from the metal ion, we addition with the ligand. The finally overall formation constant beta is equal to ML6 into S6. Here S means solvent, so solvent is not written here, so it is a removal. Excess amount of solvent means we can remove this one. So beta overall constant is equal to ML6 by concentration of MS6 into L6. Okay students, we have addition of one ligand by each and every step. Ligand is addition here, which for the solvent in present in the metal ion. So totally 6 steps are following the stepwise formation constant and overall formation constant. So this is one is a overall formation constant. This stepwise K1, K2, K3 is a stepwise formation constant. Okay students, very clear. I hope you can understand my class. We will meet next class. Thank you so much.